Guys, here we go. This is 3,472 2019 Contenders Foosball. Alright, we got Thriller on top, Jeff 3, Greg 2, Joe K 2, Ryan Z, Firefighter, Andrew 2, Zalicki 1, Lipjess 1, Mile 5, Zalicki 1 more, Jeff K 2, Craig 2, Ryan 1, B Wyatt 1, Nate 1, and Sam Martin with a 4-piece. Alright, here we go. 5 times with 5 times. Go ahead and see what teams you guys are getting. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Firefighter, you got the cards, and Greg Sipe, you got the Washington Redskins. We've been pulling a lot of Kyler Murray's lately. A little tongue twister there. Alright, Andrew Rod, you got the Browns. Broncos, Andrew, B. Wyatt, Niners, Craig, Vikes, Titans, Firefighter, Cards, Greg Sipe, Lions, Skins, Jeff, Cowboys, Rams, Steelers, Seahawks, Bucks, Joe Klonick, Dolphins, Chargers, Lip, Patriots, Mile, Falcons, Panthers, Bears, Packers, Jags, Nate Anderson, Eagles, Ryan Z, Bills, Saints, and Giants, Sam Martin, Bengals, Colts, Jets, and Raiders, Thriller, Chiefs, Zach Lee, Ravens, and Texans. Ravens and Texans. Alright guys, any trades? Browns are up. Browns are up. Browns are up. Alright, Jeff got you. Premium Mini has 3 divisions left. Tanner B, send me 18. Any other trades, guys, before we bust in the tenders here? Last box I have. Stuff's like $2.70 a box now. Jesus. Crazy. Alright, Tanner, you're clear. Okay. I got 3 divisions left in a premium mini. Alex, you have exactly 28 if you want a division. Whoever has Oakland, let me see. Oakland. Sam Martin has Oakland. I'm not sure if he's on or not. Hey. Taco Tuesday. Any trades, guys? Another 30 seconds or so. Get it wrapped up. Get this going. 2 divisions left in the mini. Just rip it. Alright, guys. It's time to grip it, and it's time to rip it. Alright, Contenders football. Contenders, contenders, contenders. Alright, Saquon Johnson, or Jaquan Johnson for the Bills. Charles Tillman, base. Okay. Jaquan. Charles Tillman. Alright. Anybody watch Better Call Saul last night? Or Monday? No, today's what, Tuesday? So what is it? Yeah. Josh Allen auto. Josh Allen for the Yags. MVP Deshaun. I haven't recorded one episode, so I gotta go on demand and get it, and sometimes it's not right on after. Josh Allen. Boye. Didn't Boye get traded? Devin Singletary. What is this? Byron Murphy, 25. Andy Isabella. And some base. The Patriots card underneath there as well. Tanner, you want the last three divisions? There's 3 divisions left. You wanted all 3? Patriots insert. Or was there only 2 divisions left? Jerry Turley, Notre Dame at a 99. Russell Westbrook, Russell Wilson. Alright, well we haven't pulled the on-card auto yet, so fingers crossed. Honestly, Tanner, I can't remember, and I just said it too. Maybe it is only 2 left. I got you for 2 though. Darian Hall auto, Danny Dimes, Rookie of the Year. We got 10 autos in here. What break is the $2 minis? $2 minis. Darren Hall, Tillery, Allen, Johnson. Pull a lot of autos. Hopefully they get like 10 or something. We shall see. Aaron Rodgers, winning ticket. David Montgomery. Alexander Madison die cut on card at a 25. That's pretty nice. That's real nice. At a 25 die cut, Alexander rookie ticket for the Vikings. Hopefully he turns out pretty good. He's having a good rookie season. Dalvin Cook. I mean, they got 2 starting running backs basically, him and Dalvin Cook. And we have N'Keal Harry and Marquise Brown. I'll go to the Ravens. It's divisions, Kem. It's divisions. We could probably do a filler, maybe. Minshew and Trace McSorley. Miles Sanders. I think it's filled though. I think the mini helmet. Next one we can maybe do teams because I think this one's filled. So we got the Leaf jersey next, and we got another premium mini. And then we have some 2020 Prism draft picks working as well. Khalil Mack. Jack Lambert. Yeah, division's definitely moved a little quicker. MVP, Big Ben. Hopefully Big Ben, man, comes back healthy and Steelers can have a good year. That quarterback play last year was iffy. Real iffy. Alright, Giants, Storm. Haskins, Tillman. You think so, Ryan? I thought maybe he played 2 more years. Ezekiel Elliott, MVP. Last pack of Contenders. That quarterback dropped class on his last legs. You think so? Think they're all going to tank? Eli Manning winning ticket. Okay. Alright guys, here's all the base. These will go out. Giants, Cowboys. Madison, Hall, Tillery, Cardinals, Allen, Johnson. Oh, you're talking about, I thought you meant this year, like 2020. Think about it. 2020, those guys, he got drafted in 2004. 16 years ago. 16 years ago, we were all, how old, you know? Been playing a long time. Alright guys, I'm gonna mark the case hits so when I'm sorting here I know what's what, and so you guys know who got what. Alright, let me unsort these. Minnesota Vikings. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. Craig P. Green Bay Packers, Mile. San Diego Chargers, Joe Klonick. Arizona Cardinals, Firefighter. Jacksonville Jaguars, Mile. And Buffalo Bills, Ryan Z. Alright, very cool. 5 times, guys. Whoever's on top will receive a free spot into the bonus break TriStar Mini. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Ryan Z. Ryan Z, 3472. 3472. 3472, tenders. Okay. Alright, Leaf jerseys up next. Premium Mini. Oh, there was only 2 left. You're good. Tanner Big, closing that out. Premium Mini's done. We also have draft picks working as well, guys, if you guys want to rip the last box of draft picks. Alright, guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you very much.